Hi, I'm Tony Ennis from Impact Sales Performance, and welcome to this series of short videos that I've created to help sales and account management professionals experience better results. In these videos, I'm sharing tips, best practices, and strategies that you can implement right away to up your game and accelerate your performance. In my last video, I talked about the importance of setting goals, and some of you might be saying, great, I have my goal set, but how do I translate that into an actual result? In this video, I'm going to introduce the idea of using an activity waterfall to do just that. An activity waterfall simply illustrates how your key selling activities cascade through your sales process. The first step to creating your waterfall is to define your key selling activities, or those things that indicate that an opportunity is moving from one stage of your funnel to the next. Let's say that your key selling activities include signing agreements, submitting proposals, delivering presentations, conducting research meetings, and making calls. Once you've defined those key selling activities, the next step is to consider your annual sales goal. Let's say that your SMART goal is to sell $1 million worth of new business by the end of the fiscal year. Consider your average deal size. Let's say it's $100,000. That means that you need to sign 10 new deals or 10 new agreements this year to achieve your goal. With that metric set, you can cascade the rest of your key selling activities through the waterfall using some simple assumptions regarding conversion rates. To sign those 10 new agreements, perhaps you need to submit 15 proposals. To submit 15 proposals, you may need to deliver 30 presentations. To get to 30 presentations, you may need to conduct 90 research meetings. And to schedule that number of meetings, you may need to make 900 calls. With your annual activity targets put into place, you simply need to define those numbers by the number of weeks that you intend to work in the year. So those 10 agreements that you need to sign, you probably need to sign one about every 5 weeks. To reach 15 proposals for the year, you probably need to submit one every 3 weeks. 30 presentations in the year means that you need to deliver one every week and a half or so. To conduct 90 research meetings in the year, that means you need to conduct about 2 per week. And to schedule that number of research meetings, you probably need to make about 20 calls per week. Now, people have always said that sales is a numbers game, and that's partly true. Your level of activity is one of the variables that is directly within your control. The other is the effectiveness with which you perform those activities. Just imagine how this plan changes when you only need to deliver 20 presentations to submit 15 proposals rather than 30. Now, the next step, you guessed it. This is important work. These activities directly relate to you achieving your goal. Now, the level of urgency behind this work kind of depends on how you're tracking to your goal. But since this is important work and these activities lead directly toward achieving your goal, it's advised to make sure that you include performing these activities as part of your model week or your model day. Now, thanks a lot for following along. I'll be creating a new video approximately every 2 weeks, and you can find them on my various social media channels. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me or my colleagues here at Impacts if we can help you build your activity plan or help your team experience better results. Thanks a lot, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.